Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're exploring Palmer Luckey's bold vision for autonomous AI weapons and the future of warfare. The Oculus founder's now making waves with Anduril, and his ideas are sparking debate. Let's dive into this controversial topic. Palmer Luckey, a tech prodigy, founded Oculus at 19 and sold it to Facebook for $2 billion in 2014. Now 32, he leads Anduril, a defense tech company pioneering AI weapons. Known for his quirky style, flip-flops, and Hawaiian shirts, he's a standout in the industry. Luckey grew up tinkering with electronics in California, fueling his innovative spirit. He left Silicon Valley in 2017 after a controversial exit from Facebook. Ex-users often dub him the Q of military tech, drawing parallels to James Bond's Gadget Master. His journey from VR to warfare intrigues tech and defense circles. Luckey's outspoken nature keeps him in the spotlight. His vision is reshaping how we view military tech. Anduril, founded by Luckey in 2017, seeks to revolutionize warfare with autonomous technology. It challenges traditional defense giants like Lockheed Martin with a fresh approach. The company has secured over $6 billion in global contracts by 2025, a testament to its growth. Active in the U.S. military and Ukraine, Anduril focuses on drones, submarines, and surveillance. Their mission is to save lives and cut costs by replacing human troops with AI. Luckey emphasizes speed and efficiency in their designs. Ex-users praise Anduril's disruptive impact on defense innovation. This mission aligns with modern warfare's evolving needs. Anduril aims to lead the next generation of military tech. Anduril's Roadrunner is a twin-turbo jet drone interceptor stealing the spotlight. It autonomously takes off, identifies, and strikes enemy drones, landing if no target is found. Deployed by the U.S. military as of recent reports, it's a game-changer in aerial defense. The drone leverages AI for real-time decision-making, adapting to threats instantly. Designed to counter drone swarms, it's highly effective in combat zones. Ex-users are captivated by its sci-fi-like precision and speed. Roadrunner can carry various payloads for versatility. Its reusable design cuts operational costs significantly. This tech could redefine aerial warfare strategies. Luckey's Lattice AI platform is the backbone of Anduril's autonomous weapons. It integrates data from satellites, drones, and radar to execute missions faster than human operators. Capable of controlling 100 aircraft with one person, it's a force multiplier. Lattice enhances surveillance and targeting with unmatched precision. Used in Ukraine since 2022, it's proven its worth in real combat. The platform reduces human risk by automating decision-making processes. Ex-users highlight its role in modernizing military operations. It's scalable for various defense applications. Lattice sets a new standard for AI in warfare. Luckey argues autonomous weapons minimize American lives lost in conflicts. He envisions the U.S. as the world gun store, supplying allies with advanced AI tech. Unlike landmines, these systems can distinguish targets, improving accuracy. He sees it as a deterrent strategy, not an aggressive one. This approach could save billions in defense spending over decades. X debates whether it promotes peace or risks escalation. Luckey believes it levels the playing field against numerically superior foes. It aligns with the Pentagon's push for efficient warfare. His vision challenges traditional military doctrines. Autonomous weapons spark intense ethical debates about accountability. Critics fear AI making lethal decisions without human oversight could lead to devastating mistakes. One of its standout innovations, the Altius drone, features a unique ability to morph mid-air into a plane, allowing for agile long-range strikes that adapt to shifting battlefield conditions. Anduril's portfolio also includes underwater drones like Dive LD, enhancing the U.S. Navy's ability to conduct stealth operations in contested maritime environments. These autonomous systems are engineered to reduce human troop exposure, especially in high-risk zones where traditional operations could result in heavy casualties. Luckey claims that by deploying cutting-edge technology, Anduril can act as a deterrent, preventing conflicts before they escalate through overwhelming superiority. Reports and field tests increasingly suggest that Anduril's innovations are outpacing conventional defense systems in both performance and adaptability. On X, users are calling the company a game-changer in Ukraine. with many noting how its tools are modernizing resistance strategies against Russian aggression. Luckey warns that China is poised to overtake the US in the autonomous weapons race, signaling a dangerous shift in global power dynamics. He argues that AI-driven defense is essential to counter China's overwhelming numerical advantage without committing massive ground troops. Anduril's mission is to give the US a strategic edge through intelligent, scalable, and expendable systems. That $14 billion valuation adds pressure to deliver consistent, game-changing results. On X, some users express concern that Luckey's focus on rapid innovation and profitability may come at the cost of operational safety and moral clarity. Regulatory frameworks are still evolving, and hurdles in policy and public trust could slow wider deployment of Anduril's systems. Anduril is preparing for the next frontier in warfare with ambitious expansions underway. One major step is the rollout of Lattice Mesh, a networked software system that allows US allies to make faster battlefield decisions through real-time data fusion. The company is also building a massive drone factory, aiming to mass-produce thousands of autonomous systems annually, echoing Tesla's manufacturing revolution. Luckey hints at AI weapons with potential impact comparable to the atomic bomb, suggesting a paradigm shift in military capability. A new 3-year Pentagon contract promises to deepen AI integration into all levels of US defense strategy. Analysts on X predict that Anduril's innovations could reshape global military doctrines by 2030, ushering in a new era of algorithmic warfare. That's Palmer Luckey's AI weapons vision. Game changer or risky move? Let me know below. Next, we're covering a new tech topic. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and see you soon.